What's going on, guys? Right here. So today we are going to be installing some new tank grips on the MT09. Got them right here, and I'm going to explain to you why we're changing these. I'm going to be showing you a little up close of why we're changing these. And as the old adage goes, these are good from far, but far from good. As you can see here, yeah, just the adhesive that they use. The adhesive that they used on this was just not good. I mean, it's, don't get me wrong, it sticks, really well still, but it's just, look at all that crap. That's what I mean, like, from far, you can't really tell, but once you get up close, it's like, oh, that's disgusting. But it's weird because on the other side, oh, yeah, I guess it is starting to go too. This side is just really bad. I got those that are on there right now on the FZ. I got those on eBay for like $15 or $20 for the set. I could not see, I can't see spending like $70, $80, $90 for a pair of the name brand tank grips. It's just rubber with some 3M tape stuck to the back. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm just that cheap. But $70, $80 for some rubber that you just slap on the tank. So what we're going to need for this little project is a hair dryer and a little adhesive remover. That's it, really. Maybe a rag. So let's just hop right into it. Alright guys, so as you saw, that was a super simple install for these Stompgrip tank pads. I had these on the R3. This is not a paid advertisement. This is just something that I had on the R3. They worked awesome on the R3, so just showing you guys a cheaper alternative to buying these compared to some of the like $80 or $90 tank pads that you can find on like Revzilla or Sport Bike Track Gear, something like that. But I had these on the R3. I knew how good a quality they were for the R3, how easy they were to put on the R3. So I seen these for $45 and I jumped on them. They said they only had a few left on Amazon, so jumped on them real fast. And yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be unhappy with them. I'm sure like later on in the year, through the summer and everything, I'm probably going to do an update video to show you guys how they're holding up. But, I mean, they're perfect on the R3. So, here you go, made in America. And normally, things made in America, you're going to be paying a like premium price for. But $45, guys. That's, you're saving about $45 by getting these. That's extra money for gear. That's extra money for parts. That's extra money just in your pocket in general. Now, the only downside that I could think of is, since this is more of a plastic, here, let me read this.
Okay, it says here.
Manufactured with a proprietary plastic blend formulated to wear down like a tire. And like I said, I had these on the R3, and I didn't really notice any wear. So, I mean, that's good. I didn't notice any wear when I had it. So maybe, I don't know, maybe somebody who's actually riding it like every day might notice some wear. But yeah, like I said, it's more of a plastic. So it's gonna be a little bit more shiny compared, you know, if you go with one of the like rubber ones, if you want to go like with a matte finish. I don't think you're gonna get a matte finish out of this. You know, you can kind of see in the light that little shine right here. That's kind of just how it's gonna be. It's not a big deal to me at all. But for some people who kind of want to go with that blacked out kind of matte look, might not be the best option. But they also do have them in clear, so you can get this in clear. That could be another option. Otherwise, you know, black or clear. One more thing I want to point out. On the back here, they actually have the instructions of how these are supposed to contour onto the tank. Now, the main grip is really straightforward of how it attaches to the tank. But these little guys here, those were a little bit weirder. So, you know, it's nice that they had these on here. Otherwise, I probably would have been looking at the little ones and looking at here and like trying to really figure out how they mount. But they do have little instructions here to show how they mount onto the plastic right here. But yeah, this, you know, it's just straightforward of how it mounts to this. Ooh, so curvy. Oh, contours. Oh, I love this tank. I love the contours and the curves of this bike. Anyway, I gotta go clean up now. Anyway, so again, you know, if you guys are new here, please subscribe if you liked what you watched. Hit that notification bell. You know, it tells you when I post up a new video. Wintertime is pretty random for me up here in Wisconsin. You know, we're doing random stuff to the bike, you know, random live streams, things like that. So, you know, hit that notification bell so you know when I'm doing something somewhere. So hope you guys enjoyed our little install video of these Stompgrip tank pads. And we got some other stuff planned for the MT09 over the winter here in frigid Wisconsin. We got nothing else going on but working on the bikes. We're going to be doing a tire install video on this. We got the Pirelli Angel GTs that we're going to be installing. What else are we doing? We did the front stand video. We're going to be doing a chain video. I got a yellow chain that's going to go on the MT09. So that'll look pretty nice. I can't wait to put that on. My buddy Chris is going to come over, help me install that. And when we do the tire video, I might just have music playing over the whole thing so you can just see me cussing but bleeping it all out. Yeah, because it's tires and I have a feeling it's gonna go a little rough, but it might make for a fun video. So as always, guys, get out there and ride safe. If you're still riding, please brap one out for me. For those in the north who cannot ride right now, just brap one out. Brap, brap. Just have a blast. Get out here in the garage, you know, have fun with your bikes. And until the next video, I love you guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.